that if you look at the reference, it's like what the creator called a lollipop thing, using a lollipop. See? Then just add some. It's like a big head, but a very thin body. That's just what we're gonna be doing. Anyway. And now I'm gonna start with the top right up here. And it's gonna be like a circle, just that. There we go. And 2 smaller circles that actually they're not circles. Oval. Like that. And another oval. It's like thin, sort of. And we're gonna then draw the nose, which is pretty much a line and like the Gravity Falls nose. It doesn't matter. A smile will be right about there by the left eye. And pupils right there. And unlike the Gravity Falls style, there's only one eyelash. It's right about there. And that's pretty much the head. Just one eye. I'm gonna then draw like one eyebrow right there. So like that one-eyed expression. I just draw it like that. And now we draw the bangs. I've learned that it's just 4, not a lot. This is the same problem I did when I was learning how to draw Mabel. It was like I always drew a bunch of loops instead of just one loop. And another curved line right there. I'm just gonna draw the ear right there. Like the C. Curved line from the ear all the way up to the bangs. Then when you, I'm gonna actually make the the head a little smaller. It's a little funny because it's a lollipop body. It's weird. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna do the hair in a bit. And for the neck, it's just gonna be 2 straight lines like that. And then those, it was like the collar for Mabel, except this time the school uniform, and you can make like this shape right there. Anyway, then I'm gonna draw like one straight line there. And another parallel straight line there. And then, okay, I know I keep comparing it to the Gravity Falls style, it's just, they're pretty similar. So for Dippers, the shirt line was just like a straight, you could just draw the arms and then just add a line, and then that would be the shirt. Well, that's not what we're doing, and I'm just gonna move the lollipop. Right about here, you can make the shirt like that. And the arms are gonna be smaller. And we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Because it's like a heroic pose. What's up with me and heroic poses? Anyway, now I'm going to draw the logo, which is going to be straight line. We're almost making a square, but before we do this, just gonna draw. Now that I think about it, it's just an upside down house. We're just gonna make it a little higher. Okay, anyway. Shirt finished. And now for the arms. And we're just gonna bend it like that. Wait. That's too long. In the Amphibia series, Anne is pretty much taller than the frogs. Makes sense though, because when you think about it, most like creatures like Bigfoot and the Yeti are bigger than us. And this world, they like see her as like a monster. And now we're gonna draw the finger. This was a thing I had to draw like over and over, so I'm gonna use the reference. Yeah. I'll just move this, and there we go. You can't see it, but I can. Then we're gonna add that line there. It's like an L. And then gonna, right for the fourth finger, just gonna do that. Line. And another one. So in this show, Anne has 5 fingers, which is very rare for most shows. Like, they usually have 4 fingers. See? I know it's 3, but come on. Okay. And now I'm just gonna draw the skirt. Straight through. And it's like curved. See? Like that. Anyway. And now for the other arm. And gonna do a bend. It's like in the opposite direction. And curved line. There we go. Now it looks a little weird. I'll fix it later. And I know I'm gonna keep comparing the Gravity Falls style to the Amphibia style, but in this case, Mabel's skirt is straight and doesn't have whatever. Anyway, gonna draw like 3 lines, and it's gonna go along with the skirt. In other words, we're just drawing Anne's school uniform. I mean, personally for me, I actually don't like uniforms. I'm pretty sure I'd find any excuse just to not wear a uniform. Yeah. And now for a straight line. Not exactly straight. And then this is the foot where her right shoe is missing. For us, it's to the left. Okay, gonna curve it up like that. And I just draw this, but since I'm doing it, but in the reference, it's this. So, a straight line. All right. And then we're gonna draw another straight line. So it's like symmetrical. Like if we split in half, it'd be the same, sort of. For the posture, for like the pose. And the rest, not really. and it just have two bumps. One is going to be bigger than the other. Then straight up, just really big. Straight line. It was like for dippers, if anyone watched that video. Curve it. And it's like bigger. Like, yeah, whatever. And just a line there. One's gonna then just add a line. Yeah, like that. And for extra details, half circle to the left. On the inside the two bumps is just gonna be two small lines. And for the sock, it's gonna be bigger than the other one because, I mean longer, not bigger, not bigger. Definitely not bigger. Yeah, it's fine. And now for the skirt, right there. That's just gonna be symmetrical for the bottom, like that. Just erase the line. And now for the hat. Oh, wait. Not now. Tic-tac-toe symbol. Or a number symbol, or a pound symbol, or a hashtag symbol. Just curve. Just like that. Okay, now for the hair. Wait. There you go. At the top right here, it's going to be like that. To the left side, it's going to be two tufts. Other side, one. And now for this part. Just a little tuft. It's like for Dipper's hair. Like that. Anyway. Another tuft. Then we're gonna like close it up right here. Right about to the bottom of the head. Like that. And we're gonna do the same for the other side. I'd probably go for symmetrical, but I don't, yeah. And then we're gonna close it up right there. Okay, and now for the details for the hair, which is gonna be one loop there for the leaves. It's gonna be right here. Gonna be like curvy. And this one is the one that's colored red. Line in the center. And then for the other leaf, it's gonna be all pointy. I guess this one is a lot about symmetrical and like symmetry. Now for the twig. It's like a curved Y. Like if you could bend a Y. And done. And that is how to draw Anne Boonchoi from Amphibia. Hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.